Hey everyone, Matthew here, Matthew's Land Clearing, and I'm here at my storage place where I keep my machine. And I'm going to replace my shoes on my mulcher because they're pretty worn out. So we're going to go ahead and see what they look like before and how to take them off and replace them. Okay, here's the right side of the mulcher head, and as you can see, tilt this up a little bit. You can see this one's pretty worn out, and you can get some plates welded on, but I don't have a welder right now, so I'm just gonna replace them. I've had these 2 years, and you know, going back and forth on the ground a lot, it wears them out. But require to, on mine, I've got the HM418 Caterpillar, and it takes a 15/16 wrench and a 15/16 socket, and I'm using my impact wrench. There's 3 bolts altogether. So I'm going to take them off and go from there. Let's see, let's tilt this up a little bit. Gotta use my tripod on the ground. I think that'll work. Yep. Okay, there's one bolt. Two. Okay, there's 3. Okay, just pull it off. Got to raise up the head a little bit. It's gone down. Alright, now I should be able to get this thing off. There we go. Okay, here's my old one. As you can see, it's pretty bad shape, but it is repairable. Weld some plates on there, be good. And here's my new one. Yep, there it is. Old one, worn out. So we're just going to reverse the process, and that should be it. Okay, I've got the new one up here, and it requires, if you don't have somebody to lift it up, I usually use a crowbar, and I'm going to stick it in between the trailer and this. It's going to lift up so that the these holes align with the bolt, and I want it up as far as I can, so I'm going to go in that second hole down. Okay. Okay guys, I got this one on. 3 bolts are on. And that's all there is to it. Relatively easy by yourself. Just use a crowbar, hold it up there, and of course, you know, you got this second one, old one down here. I'm gonna get that welded, a plate on there, so I can reuse it someday, so I don't have to buy another set. Anyway, the other side is exactly the same. In fact, I'll walk around and show you. Here's the other side. We've already done it. This one's a little smaller than the other side. And here's the other side, the old one. Almost hard for me to see it. There we go. A lot of shadows. Yeah, this is the old one. It's pretty bad as well. Not as bad as the other side for some reason, but I've had another plate put on this one at one time, but it's pretty worn out. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.